Hey, I'm Derek with AKONA, and I'm here to show you our 12-foot Ibiza. We have two in the family. We have the 12-foot and the 16-foot. As you can see, the attachments on the 16-foot are a little larger, and the 12-foots are a little smaller because they are meant for smaller kids. Now, this does come two ways. Comes in a park with the log and a slide, and a 3-step ladder, aluminum ladder, or it comes by itself with just the ladder. You can buy it either way, both come that way. This is great for kids or a boarding platform or just the replacement of that old wooden raft you might have for hours of entertainment, super safe and fun for all ages.